Happy morning to all. This is Anjana of grade 1. Today, October 15th, birthday of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a great scientist, thinker, writer, motivational speaker, and the missile man of India and 11th President of India. He was a man whose passion was to inspire others to dream. He said, "Dream at night that you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep." ஒரு முறை வந்தால் அது கனவு, இருமுறை வந்தால் அது ஆசை, பலமுறை வந்தால் அது லட்சியம். Kalamji, you are the real hero of India. Kalamji, we all love you so much. Thank you.